everyone, and welcome to my channel for everything voice acting. Quick question, did you know that voice actors can get paid over 6 figures? Did you also know that you don't even need a degree? In fact, actually finding a degree in voice acting is nearly impossible? Or that finding a school that actually teaches it is pretty impossible too? It's usually just taught by another voice actor, a coach, or a studio. It's true. What's more, it can even take 10 years for voice actors on average to get into the industry. The goal of this video series is to get you there in 1 year or less. And without having to spend $5,000 or even $10,000, heaven forbid, on classes and resources. I want to teach you how I did it for under $3,000. Truth be told, if you follow all the steps in this, you could even do it for under $1,500. How's that sound? If you like that, then here's something even better. If you don't even want to spend $1,500, you could even spend less than $1,000 to get into the voice acting industry, where other people have spent $10,000, literally less than a tenth of what it normally takes for a lot of voice actors. And what is it going to cost you? Nothing, just subscribing to my channel. That's what I want to give you. And why am I doing this? It's because I got fed up with my journey. The road to getting booked is so tedious, confusing, and nerve-wracking that I had to scrounge and research and network with a bunch of people to get the information that was necessary to even begin voice acting. So, if you want to skip all that and only get the information that's worthwhile without having to waste your money or spin your wheels, then this channel is what's going to be able to launch you into the world of voiceover without all the confusion, the fear, and the loss of time or money. I want to be able to give this to you for completely free this year, so that you don't have to fumble your way through the endless amounts of information, myths, and rumors. That's why, this year, I'm going to be making videos every 2 weeks to get you moving on your path to achieving your dream of becoming a voice actor. And I'm giving you a free calendar to keep track of when my videos will drop as well, so that you can stay on track and mark it off as you go along your voice acting journey. So if this interests you, or if you have a friend that wants to get into voice acting, please share and subscribe so that you can get notified each time one of these videos debuts, so that you don't get stuck and miss out on the voice acting journey. But perhaps you're saying to yourself, well, I'm disabled, or maybe I just don't want to do it, maybe I don't have a good voice, maybe now's not a good time. Well, here's something interesting about me I'd like to share. I'm disabled. I used to work construction, and now I can't anymore. Now it's easy for me to pass out doing anything that even exerts me. So now I've got to try to make time for myself to try to work from home. And you can too. I got really tired of trying to apply for remote jobs a few years ago that didn't want me, or I didn't have the credentials to fulfill. Turns out they don't want construction workers, they want somebody who has been behind a desk before, and they want people with degrees, bachelor's degrees to be exact. And that was really difficult. I remember putting in like 100 different applications to try to get work, and I couldn't get it. So if you want something that's different than that, something where you don't have to ask somebody for a job, you can make your own money yourself on your own terms, then maybe voice acting is the way to go. And who doesn't like to work from home anyway, right? Voice acting is now more remote work friendly than ever. And what's more, tens of thousands of people are doing it, and some even have heavy accents. If you don't want the fame, you don't have to have the fame. You can go and do some other genre that doesn't require fame. It's kind of difficult to get into those anyway, but it is a moneymaker. So this is definitely an option if you're thinking about trying to do remote work from home. So in essence, if you feel like you haven't been able to live up to your dreams or chase what you've been wanting due to fear or not having the right information in regards to voice acting, let me ease that for you. Follow me and join me in this new journey in my life, where I take you through the 7 years of classes and mistakes that I made so that you don't have to. Just free education from the best voice actors that I learned from right here from me. I want to be your one-stop shop for voice acting. So feel free to follow me and join me in my journey in voice acting as you make your dream yours. Again, don't forget the free calendar link I've left in the description, and if it's not there for some odd reason, then I'll try to place it in the video right here, or somewhere in my bio so that you can have it for later. Thank you so much for hearing me out, and I will see you in the next lesson, your first step into living the dream that you've always wanted. Let's do it together.